Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to find your own award numbers in Kuali using the Search Records feature. Start by navigating to your Kuali dashboard. In the left-hand navigation, click on Search Records, then select Go. This will show you every record in Kuali that you have access to. To make your search results more meaningful, click on Show Hide Columns in the upper right hand. To see all columns currently showing in your view, select Sort and move All checked to top. Select the 6 dots on the left-hand side to rearrange columns. Move Document Type to the top of the list. This will make it the first column for the results. Scroll down and check both Development Proposal Number and Award Number, so they appear in your search view. Drag and drop the column names into your preferred order. Once you're happy with the layout, click Save. Back on the main Search Records screen, you can now click any column header to sort alphabetically or numerically by that column. For example, selecting Document Type will bring all award entries to the top of your results list. If you have multiple awards or want to see more at once, you can adjust the rows per page, setting for a broader summary view. You are also able to export your search results as a CSV file if needed. Finally, once you have made all of the adjustments to your filters, you can save your search for easy access in the future. Please reach out to your Kuali support team with any additional questions.